Hello everybody and welcome to Live Trading Room's daily Forex analysis. Today is Monday, the 15th of January and it's midday. Let's see how the Forex market is behaving on the index grid of our best and worst dashboard. The euro is in first position, gaining 1.80% on its currency basket, followed by the Swiss franc gaining 1.45%. The Australian dollar is up by 0.65%. The New Zealand dollar is gaining 0.52%. The British pound is ahead by 0.50%. The yen is losing 0.60%. The Canadian dollar is down by 0.86%. And the US dollar is coming up last, losing 3.48%. The power strength gives us the US dollar 100% short and the euro 100% long. We have high percentages on the Canadian dollar and New Zealand dollar also, respectively 85% short and 85% long. The best Forex trades of the day up to now are euro dollar gaining 0.64% and USD Swiss franc losing 0.63%. Now let's go to the charts to analyze the majors. Aussie US dollar gave a bullish signal at the breakout of the previous daily high. The market is moving above target number 4 of the target geometry at 0.7948. The market is moving above all the moving averages of the EMA dashboard. We have a bullish price action at an intraday and multi-day level and a percentage confluence up to the yearly level. The RSI is above 50 on every time frame from M15 to the monthly. Having a 57% long Australian dollar against 100% short US dollar, we may have a continuation of the bullish move. The euro dollar is slightly correcting down from the daily high marked above target number 3 of the target geometry. The market is moving above all the moving averages of the EMA dashboard and we have a breakout of the previous highs on the multi-day time frames. We have a percentage confluence up to the yearly level, an RSI above 50 from M5 to the monthly, and a 71% long euro against 100% short US dollar. So we may have a continuation of the bullish move. The cable is also correcting down from the daily high marked above target number 2 at 1.3807. The market is above all the moving averages of the EMA dashboard and we have a breakout of the previous highs on the multi-day time frames. We have a percentage confluence up to the yearly level and an RSI above 50 from M15 to the monthly. Should the market remain above the entry level of the target geometry at 1.3758, we may have a continuation of the current move. New tops on Kiwi US dollar also. The market is correcting down from the daily high marked just below target number 8 at 0.73. The market is moving above all the moving averages of the EMA dashboard. We have a bullish price action at a multi-day level and a breakout of the previous highs. Percentage confluence up to the yearly level and an RSI above 50 from M15 to the monthly. With a confluent New Zealand dollar against a confluent US dollar, we may have a continuation of the bullish move. US dollar Canada is retracing from the daily low marked just below target number 3 at 1.2411. The market is below all the moving averages of the EMA dashboard. Right now we have a bullish price action at a scalping and intraday level. We have a percentage confluence up to the yearly level and an RSI below 50 from M15 to the monthly. Should the market remain below the bearish entry level at 124.44, we may have a continuation of the bearish move. US dollar Swiss franc is accelerating downward. We're just below target number 4 at 0.9614. We're below all the moving averages of the EMA dashboard and we have a breakout of the previous lows from H4 to the monthly. We have a percentage confluence up to the yearly level and a confluent RSI below 50 on every time frame. With an 85% long Swiss franc against 100% short US dollar, we may have a continuation of the bearish move. Let's close the analysis with US dollar yen, which is continuing to descend. The market is trading at 110.60, right at target number 4 of the target geometry. We're below all the moving averages of the EMA dashboard, and we have a bearish price action with a breakout of the previous lows on the multi-day time frames. We have a percentage confluence up to the yearly level and an RSI below 50 from M5 to the monthly. So we may have a continuation of the descent. So we may have a continuation of the current move. That's all for today's analysis. Thank you for your attention. Good day and good trading from Live Trading Room Trading Community.